Good morning, children. Now this is 8th class social studies, children. So we are in the 11th lesson. 11th lesson, two parts, children, A and B. Okay. So we completed geography, three lessons, children, in the 8th class. Now this is the 11th lesson, children. That means history part, children. Okay. So in that we discussed many points in the previous videos and previous online classes, children. Now look at here. We are discussing the national movement. So actually, why our Indian people started movement, children? Because on those days, our India was under the clutches of British rule. So the Britishers, they came and they occupied the political power in our country. Not only our country, children. So the Britishers established their power Asian countries, African countries, almost all over the world, children. That means especially Asian countries and African countries. Okay, children. So here our Indian people for the first time revolted against the British government, children. When in 1857 our Indian people fought revolt against Britishers. So that movement is called Sepoy Revolt. Okay. So in the previous video I discussed about Sepoy Revolt. Okay, who joined in the Sepoy Revolt? Okay, children. Peasants joined, landlords joined, artisans joined. Okay, next to soldiers, main soldiers. Okay, children. So finally they fought against the Britishers, but the Britishers suppressed the movement, children. Why? Because they have the powerful weapons upon their hands. Okay, so that was the main reason. Next one, the disunity among the people of our country also one of the cause for the failure of Sepoy Revolt in 1857. Next, children, our Indian leaders, they scholars, they studied in the schools and colleges which are started by the British or missionary schools and colleges. When they studied, the English people, they introduced English language in the schools and colleges and universities, children. When our Indian people studied the English language, so they are able to read the foreign countries administration. Okay. Next, they observed the foreign countries administration. For example, England, Germany, Poland, France, Switzerland, Italy, America. Okay, so many countries. So that's why they realized how the people succeeded in their countries, in the civil war of their countries. So that's why they also realized and they also wanted to revolt against the British government, children. Okay, so now in this way they started INC. What is the meaning of INC, children? Indian National Congress. What is that? Indian National Congress. So it started in 1885. 1885. Actually, children, this Indian National Congress, Indian National Congress, okay, INC. So this Indian National Congress started in 1885, children. So December, when in December month, Bombay, where, children? Bombay. Now Bombay is called Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, so they held one meeting in Bombay. Okay, children. Next one, how many people attended to this meeting? 72 delegates from different all parts of our country. They are not belongs to a separate region or separate state, children. These 72 members are delegates. They joined from different parts of our country. Okay, it was presided over by W.C. Banerjee. What is his name, children? Very, very important. So this meeting was presided by W.C. Banerjee. Next, children, moderate pace. Actually, children, the Indian national movement divided as three parts. The first one is are three pages. The first page is moderate page, children. Okay, moderate page. Second one is extremist. Third one is Gandhi era. So these are the three pages of our Indian national movement. Now we will discuss about the moderate page. Okay, children. So here the moderate page period is 1885 to 1905, children. 1885 to 1905. So this is called moderate page. Okay. Now look, children. 1885 started INC. So they held meeting in December month at Bombay. 72 delegates attended from all parts of our country. They are scholars, educated people. Okay, next one. This meeting was presided by W.C. Banerjee. Next, children, in this moderate page, who are the main leaders or who are the main educated people or scholars? Here you must keep in mind these people. Who are the Dadabhai Nauroji, okay, Firoz Shah Mehta, okay, Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta. Next, Babruddin Tyabji, Babruddin Tyabji. Here B means Babruddin. Here P means Firoz Shah. Okay. D, Dadabhai Nauroji. D means Dadabhai Nauroji. Now I want to repeat once again. Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Babruddin Tyabji, W.C. Banerjee. What is his name, children? W.C. Banerjee. Next one, S. Banerjee. Ramesh C. Dutt. Okay? Ramesh C. Dutt. Next to S. Subramaniam Iyer. I repeat once again. Dadabhai Nauroji. Okay. Next, Firoz Shah Mehta. Next one, Babruddin Tyabji, W.C. Banerjee. Next to S. Banerjee, Ramesh C. Dutt, S. Subramaniam Iyer. So these are the moderate period members. Many members are there, but you keep in mind these people name, children. Okay. So they are the main persons, main leaders of moderate period. Next, children, how this Indian National Congress started? With the help of one retired British officer. He already retired. He also British officer, children. So his name was A.O. Hume. What is his name, children? A.O. Hume. With the suggestions of A.O. Hume, our national leaders, they started one association that is called INC, Indian National Congress. Why they started this one? The Britishers are ruling. If we want to question the Britishers individually, the Britishers are simply gave deaf ear. They did not concern about the problems of our Indians. So that is why A.O. Hume suggested our Indian leaders to form as association. With this association, if you go and ask the Britishers, they might listen your words. So that is why our Indian leaders started this association in 1885. Okay, that is called Indian National Congress, INC. Okay, next, children, this Indian National Congress, every December they held meetings in different parts of our country. We know on this and even today also the great cities of our country, Bombay, Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, Madras or Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, children. Next to these three cities they held meetings. Okay. Next, remaining cities also, children. Pune. Okay, etc. cities. Next, children. Here the nationalists, actually, why they held this meeting, children? Because they wanted to discuss what are the Indian problems, how the Indian society. In the Indian society, we must observe many inequalities, children. Upper caste people are there, lower caste people are there. Upper caste people, they are enjoying. Lower caste people, they are always depending upon upper caste people and suffering children. Even after independence also children, the property given to the upper caste people. The lower caste people on those days before independence, deprived people. After independence, the government to title them as SCs, STs, SCs, STs and BCs. Okay children. So now look children, so that is the present position also. But now I have come back to the lesson here. Look children, so they wanted to unite all of you, irrespective of their religion, their caste, their inequality, etc. Next in the society we can see caste, I said already. Next religion. What are the religions are there in our country children? Hindus are there, Muslims are there, Christians are there, Buddhists, Jainism, okay, Sikhs, etc. people are there children. Okay, they are following different ways. Some people following another. That means people are following different religions, they are following different cultures, traditions, etc. Okay, irrespective of these all, we want to unite all of you together and we must to say our problems to the Britishers. Why? Because our country under the clutches of Britishers. Okay children, so that was the main aim of these national leaders children. Next one, common political platform. They wanted to near these all people as common political platform. Next one, political rights. Their main demands are political rights children. Next one, democratic principles. Because politically the Britishers are ruling our country. So we do not have or we did not have any political rights. That means we did not have any positions on those days. We means here our Indian leaders. Okay, all the positions held by Britishers only. They are enjoying their ruling children. Okay, we are not president, we are not CMs, we are not PMs, whatever the position, they belongs to Britishers only. So that's why we want to take the political power. That is our Indian leaders' aim. Next children, discussing our problems. What problems are facing by the British government? What problems are facing commonly all people of the country? So they are discussing and how to remove these problems, how to solve this problem. So they are discussing. Next one, vote. We didn't have any vote children. So that is why our Indian leaders demand is give all citizens of India right to vote. Especially we know Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the first round table conference and second round table conference, he asked to our Indian leaders right to vote. Okay, he asked to the British government right to vote to our Indians. Okay children, next children, look here, in that moderates, women also participated children. Among them, the first lady here, Kadambari Ganguly. You keep in mind children, what her name? Kadambari Ganguly. Actually children, Kadambari Ganguly was the first woman graduate from Calcutta. Woman graduate. You know children, BA, BCom, BSc. So these are called graduate courses. BA means Bachelor of Arts. BCom means Bachelor of Commerce. For example, I finished Bachelor of Commerce. That means I completed BCom. After BCom, I trained as a BEd teacher children. Okay, a B.Ed course. Next I did MA English Literature from Nagarjuna University. Okay children. So nowadays the institutions are available to us. That's why we can read, we are studying children. But on those days, the people who are rich persons in the society, they can read and write. Why? Because they educated children. The common people, they are always searching for the food children. So that was the position on those days. Now I come back to the lesson. Graduate, woman graduate first from Calcutta was Kadambari Ganguly. What her name? Kadambari Ganguly. So Kadambari Ganguly also one of the member in this moderate period, children. Moderate phase. I said already who are the members in the moderate period. Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Babruddin Tyabji, okay, S.C. Banerjee, okay, next one, so Surendranath Subramanian Iyer, Ramesh Dattu, etc. Along with them, these women also you keep in mind. What her name? Kadambari Ganguly. Next, children, this moderate period, 20 years, children. Okay, from 1885 to 1905, children. Actually, these moderate nationalists, they wanted to reform in the government, children. Reform means in the British government many faults they found, children. Because when they educated, they studied the faults which is done by Britishers. So that's why they wanted to reform in the British government. Next, children, they wanted to establish imperial legislative councils. What are that? Imperial legislative council. Next one, our Indian position. Actually, the higher jobs held by Britishers, held by Britishers. So that's why our Indians also educated. When the Indians educated, they also demanded to give higher jobs. Actually, to appoint to any job or recruitment, they will conduct recruitment, children. So those who passed and get more marks, they will appoint as higher grade officials. For example, they are called civil services. What are they? Civil services. After independence also, according to constitution, we are implementing the same procedure, civil services. Okay, children, in that civil services, they are the highest post. For example, IAS, IPS. IAS means Indian Administrative Service. IPS means Indian Police Service. For example, you know collector of Krishna district. He completed and he is an IAS officer, children. Okay. Next to police officers. They are coming from IPS, Indian Police Service. Okay. DGP Gautam Sawant. You know, children, our AP DGP, etc. Now look, children. So their demand is jobs, higher jobs. They wanted to take higher jobs. Not only taking by Britishers, but also our Indians also demanded to take higher jobs. For example, they are called civil services. In the civil services, what are they? IAS, IPS, Indian Administrative System Service, or IPS, Indian Police Service. Okay, children. Next, children, racism. Here, racism means what, children? White people, Britishers. Black people, our Indians. White people are superior, black people are inferior. Okay, they are dominating in our Indian society. Even though India belongs to our country, but who are dominating, who are discriminating here? The white people. Okay, so that's why they wanted to eradicate racism in our country. Next, children, even in jobs, I said already. So the demand of our Indians are to take higher jobs, not lower jobs. Okay, children. Next one, children, draining India. Actually, the British government, they are draining our country. That means they are taking away the food grains. They are exporting these food grains to England, and also they are exporting what are the raw material available from crops. And they are exporting what are the rich minerals, for example, diamonds, gold, silver, okay, children, etc. Diamonds are very famous, we know already, they are very cost. The diamonds are available in even our AP Krishna district near our village, even our village also, children. Okay, at rainy seasons or in our village, the old people, they are going to fields and searching about diamonds. Many people they got diamonds, children. Okay, we know Paritala here near Ibrahimpatnam. If you go to Ibrahimpatnam in the Hyderabad way, then you can find one tank. In that tank, diamonds are available, children. Okay, next one. The moderates are they are expressing their views through the lectures. Through the lectures. Next one, they are demonstrating many rallies. They are explaining what problems are facing by British government. Next one, through the newspapers also they told their grievance. Okay, children. Next, children, industrial development also not developed, children. Britishers did not set up industries in our country. Okay, children, I will explain the remaining page in the next class. Thank you.